Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer. Chapter 1. How to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer from context menu. For this method, right-click on the Start menu and choose the Task Manager. You can see it open. Chapter 2. How to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer from search box. To start, in the search box, enter Task. Click on Task Manager to access it. Chapter 3. How to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer from Run. We are going to right-click on Start and there select Run. Now enter the command Taskmgr. Click on OK to open the Task Manager. Chapter 4. How to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer from CMD. Open the CMD console from the search box. In the console, run the command Taskmgr. Press Enter to access the Task Manager. Chapter 5. How to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer from PowerShell. In the search box, enter PowerShell. Open the console. Here, run the command Taskmgr. Press Enter to open the Task Manager from there. Chapter 6. How to open Taskmgr laptop Lenovo HP Asus Dell Acer using shortcut. For this case, right-click on the desktop, select New and then Shortcut. There you will enter Taskmgr. Click Next and assign the desired name. When you click Finish, you will see the shortcut from where you can open the Task Manager. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.